Hi guys, look at them. They want their dinner. They want their dinner. Let me out the door then, boys. Thank you. Hey gang. What's you doing, Adorable? Hey, no fighting you two. Hey, Emo. Emo, calm. Be calm. Emo, what has got into you, boy? Don't worry. Stop sniffing his buttocks, Leo. Hey! What's got into you? You crazies. It's alright, Gypsy. Come on, Chilly. This way, pal. Ah, Thunderpants. Hello. The tulip's gone into... It's alright, don't worry. Don't worry. Spit at me. That's Tulip, the little black one. He's had to go into Stanley's old room because he was a bit of a pest and he needed more space. His greeting to everyone, including me, is a punch in the face. He used to beat up the kittens, so it's best that he's out here now. Just for the time being. He's leaving soon, I think. He's going to Germany. And today's the day to water the trees. You okay, guys? You like the fan in there? Is it very nice? I'm going to put a bigger one in. Let's go see Rocky. Rocky! Hey pal! Who else have we got in here? Hello. We got Max. We got Magic. Hey Magic, do you live in here now? They just chuck all my stuff on the floor and make beds for themselves. In a minute, Rocky. Yes, we'll feed you in a minute, baby. Let's see if this glue worked. The glue work, baby? I think the glue worked, but we're going to put some sticky tape as well. Because it's the box, the control box for this great big fan. It's filthy. I don't know why it's so minging, but it is. So I'll clean it all up, fix the control box. It was totally smashed up. And then we'll sort out the matter of Rocky's food. We need to put this away, Rock. Yeah, otherwise we'll lose it, won't we? You're looking very orange today, young man. How's your ear? You okay, Magic? Magic. I've only got this to fix as well. Life is all about fixing. Fixing, Rocky. Just the right height for cuddles, this generator, isn't it? Just the right height for cuddles. Yes, I know you're all starving. But it's really too hot, sweetheart. Your food will curdle in your stomach. You need to wait till the sun's gone down. I know you're hungry, you haven't eaten for nearly an hour. Right, we'll remember that tape is now. There's nowhere to stand in here. Oh, hey Stefan! I know, I saw him. What's wrong, Steph? I saw Emo punch you in the face, lad. But you were a very good boy, you didn't fight back, did you? You're a very good boy. What's all this mess, boy? Empty. Empty, I'm sorry to say. I'll get more. I'll get more, Rocky. Yes, baby. Rock. Don't worry. Don't worry. Good girl. Good girl, Rocky. There's crazy Leo. You're terrified of him, aren't you? Leo's the reason she doesn't come out of this room. He bullies you, doesn't he? We didn't know he was bullying you in the room. No, we didn't see. But he was. He was. You told us, didn't you? You're a good girl. Come on, let's go outside. Let's go outside, boys. Well, you can stay here. Stay out of the sun. What are you doing on the soda station? I'll see you later, sweetie. See you later.